Hello everyone, welcome back to another Stone Bros weekly tutorial. So you may need to record your screen for many reasons, such as YouTube, gaming, or even a presentation. I'm making this video today to show you the best free recording software to do that all. I'm going to make this simple for you guys with 3 easy steps: downloading, installing, and setup. How to download OBS is to search OBS in your preferred search engine. I preferably use Yahoo because it's just amazing. No, I'm kidding guys. Once you search OBS, go to the first website that pops up, then go over here and click download OBS. I'm using Windows 10 currently, so I'm going to be clicking this Windows 7 and up, but if you're using a different software, that's fine too. Once you click this, it'll prompt you to save to a specific location. I already have it saved to my computer, so I'm going to be skipping the downloading part. Once it's finished downloading, we can move on to step 2, installing OBS to your computer. You're going to want to open the installer and allow it to make changes to your computer. Now that I've opened it, I'm going to click next. Then you can read this if you want to, but I'm just going to click I agree. Then you can choose where you want this to go. Then I'm going to click next. Then click the install button to begin installing. Whenever it finishes installing, you will see the desktop shortcut on the screen. I have mine right here. Now we can move on to step 3, the setup. This is something that I will not go completely in depth with you just for the sake of the video's length. I will be explaining the most important settings. Here are the basics, like the absolute basics. This is a preview window, and this is a stop/start recording button. Now that we've gotten the basics down, let's look into some intermediate setup tips. The first thing that you're going to want to do is click Add Scene. You can name it whatever you'd like, it doesn't really matter. Then you go over to this box to the right of it and either right click it or click this plus button down here. And you're going to click Display Capture. Again, you can name it whatever you'd like. And then click OK. If you have successfully done both of these things, you will see your screen, seeing your screen, seeing your screen, seeing your screen, and so on. The next step is to come over to the right a little further and click on Settings. The most important setting here in general is that you can change your theme from light to dark. I preferably like dark better. If you go on down over here to stream, you can see an option to stream to a bunch of different popular websites. Go over to the Output tab, and here you can choose where you want your recordings to go. For the recording quality, you're going to want to change it to anything but same as stream. If you have the more average computer, I suggest doing high quality. I personally like indistinguishable quality. Also, you can change your recording format to MP4 because it's just more compatible with editing softwares than FLV is. Moving on over to audio, the 2 most important things are the sample rate, which is your quality, and won't matter unless you use something other than the internal mic. The second most important thing is choosing the external mic right here, if you have one. Video is the last tab we will be exploring. Basically, you can choose what quality you want your videos to be in, and you might have to look at the ratios up online. For me, I did 1920 by 1080p. I will be making a video next week on how to increase your CPU, so make sure to check that out. Once you have all your settings optimized, hit apply to finalize your choices. Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful in any way, please hit that like button on your way out. And if you want to learn more cool stuff, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.